And I like Shees Park because there's water and some grass. I don't think there's bricks. I'll see you soon at Shees Park. Bye, boo. Papa, magic? That's what I... To reach the Shees Park boat. And this is the destination. We arrived to Shees Park, that board on the top of that house. And this is the gate of Shees Park, and I'm going, my mom and my dad and me, I'm going there, and my brother and my grandfather are going the other side. And yeah, and this is a lake, and that's the waterfall. And it's really cool. This was my favorite place. Yeah, waterfall was my favorite one because it was super cool. And I'm gonna run. Wah, wah. I'm running so fast. I can run. And there's some lake. That's water here. And I went here also. I'll show you. See, they're helping me to sit. It was good. Whoa, I'm coming back. And this up. And that. Oh, and I come back up. They're lifting me back up. Oh, I'm sliding down. I want to go to the Rex. Oh, the monkey. The spider webs climbing. And I'm going to jump. I did again. the boys say. Whoa, that's a big one. And they stopped me. They said to get off. And that's the big boulder. We are gonna climb there now. Wow, it's super big, and I can see some fence. Oh, smoke. They're cooking something. Oh, what is this? I don't know. Mountains. Bring the ball. We're going to somewhere. We're going to the place where we climb. And this is my grandfather in the left, and this is my brother in the right, and this is me in the right with a ball, red and black ball. And yeah, and I'm a soldier, and my brother was wearing a Mickey Mouse. Hi, so we are going to the mountain to climb, but I'm going the water to the steps so you can go to climb the mountains. Oh, there's so much water, and I saw a little hole there so the water will go out. See, I'm walking in the water. See, I'm almost we get to the steps, and I come back to the source in the water. I'm crazy. And I came again. Yeah, and I made it to the steps, and I'm climbing. And I was super fast. My family was super slow. Oh, and I was super fast. Whoa, that's super cool. We're in super high. We're super high. You're going more. You have to go more. Because it's a long step. It's just a little bit. And these are the fence. These are the steps we're going, and in your right and your left, that's the fence. And we are climbing. Whoa, I'm super high. Oh. And we are still climbing because it's a long step. We are super high. And I like it, and it's my favorite place. There, my family's behind me. So I told him super fast, that's why. We just have to go, I think 14 steps. 14 or 16 steps, I don't know where to go. And we are super more high, and I can see trees, house, and see that steps over there in your straight. That's you have to go more, and I went there. It was good, and I saw some two aunties there, and I was going there, and I went there. Brother's not good mood in talking in this vlog, so that's why He's taking photograph. See, you can see him in the left. He's super interesting to take photograph. See those cars? Wow, there's so much amount. Whoa. It's blurry actually. Just look. Yeah, so big mountains. I can see steps. I don't think that's steps, but they're super high. Oh, peoples and ducks! Yeah, ducks! We are super tired, so we're sitting. We are going to climb the mountains, but my grandfather is super tired, so he can't walk because he has pain to walk. Super high, long steps, so that's why. And I almost to my grandfather and my brother. Yeah, we're just sitting for taking rest. Oh, big waterfall! I think there's so much holes for that. Whoa. I went close to the waterfall. Let me see. Hey, okay, I'll show you. Whoa, this is the biggest waterfall I ever seen in my life, my world. Whoa! Ah, it's turned blue. Other colors. Yeah, I'm super cold, and it's wind also. And watch falling down. You can hear the waterfall sound. Yeah. Wow, see, it's super cool. And my daddy will buy me some. Yeah, see, it's super beautiful. And I can see a rock next to me. Wow. The rocks are just making the water for the rocks and also the water. Yeah, like me. Wow, 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 wow.
See my rubber is really
But he didn't come, but now my children are coming. Okay, now it's about to finish. Now it's time to go. Bye. We'll see you in another vlog. Hope you guys enjoy your video. Click the bell icon and even hit like. Bye. See you in another video. Bye.